Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Tonight I will be making spicy Szechuan flavor eggplant. I guess main point of this video is to share with you how I make my eggplant not overly greasy or not dry at the same time while attempting stir fry. For some reason I have never been quite successful just doing perfect eggplant in a stir fry dish. So I found a workaround. I'm just going to steam it first and then just season it with the stir fry sauce that we will make. So this will involve a few steps. We will go ahead and make toasted Szechuan peppers, stir fry sauce, cut up some vegetables, steam the eggplant, then combine everything together. If you're interested, stick around and let's cook. For the Szechuan peppercorns, go in with a tablespoon in a dry pan over medium-high. Keep them moving, mix them around, and do so until they start smoking just a little bit. Now I'm not sure if you can see, but they're starting to smoke just slightly. Off the heat. And now we'll just grind them. Reach the consistency you desire. I kind of like mix of both the powder and the whole corns or half corns at this point. So this way you can choose to maybe omit biting into one of them by just brushing it off. For the stir fry sauce, we'll start with about a half tablespoon chicken flavored powder, tablespoon of soy sauce, tablespoon of Szechuan cooking wine, and a tablespoon of spicy soybean paste, a tablespoon of water. About a tablespoon of white pepper, let's give it a taste. I think it's really good. I'm not going to add anything else. So, star of the show are these two beautiful Asian eggplants, and to steam them I'm just going to cut them in sections about this long. Here I have a pan with my steamer and the water ready to go. I'm just going to line a sheet of foil in here, place the eggplant inside. There you go guys, nothing to it. Just going to shut the lid and let these go from start to finish. I think about 10 minutes, but a way to tell is when the chopstick goes through really easy. So, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's check the eggplant. Yep, that's really good. It's done. See how easily the chopstick goes through. So, just going to set it aside and let it cool. While the eggplant was steaming, I prepared the following. There are about 30 to 32 dried chili peppers, just basically torn in half with seeds, one long fresh green chili, 6 cloves of garlic, about this much of ginger roughly chopped, and 1 white part of green onion. Once the eggplant is cool enough to handle, go ahead and cut it. Okay, once we're all done, this looks like this. Pieces about this big. So we're ready to start our stir fry. On a medium-high heat, preheat couple tablespoons of chili oil. If you don't have, you can use just sesame seed oil, is okay. I think There's plenty of flavor from all of the chilies we otherwise will add anyway. When the oil is hot enough, it will flow very easily. So let's go in with ginger, garlic, onion. Be sure not to burn the garlic or ginger. Keep them moving around. Now that's fragrant enough, let's go in with chili peppers and all the seeds. Let these chilies have a chance to come alive again. It smells absolutely amazing. I wish I could share the smell with you. Okay, I think it's time. The chilies are nice and shiny. Let's add eggplant. I probably will have to do this in batches, so let's just add maybe a half. Okay. Going in with the pepper, going in with the sauce, add a little bit at a time. Look at the color. And the smell is amazing. Once again, the eggplant is already cooked, so you're really trying to just make sure that everything is combined very nicely. At the end, go in with Szechuan pepper. Beautiful. The smell and the colors are absolutely gorgeous. Well, here we go. Let's give it a taste. It's really good. The texture is perfect. In my opinion, this is one of the easiest way to recreate some stir-fry dish using eggplant. You're totally in control of the amount of oil that goes in. Try it out. If you have other methods that work well for you, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Like always, please take care. Bye.